First, remove the brake cable. Loosen the brake cable set screws with the hex wrench. There are 2 screws inside. One is loose and the other one inside. Loosen the nut at the end of the brake cable with the pliers and pull the brake cable out of the spring. Then loosen the front axle decorative cover screws, 2 prime with column screws, M4 multiplied by 8 with a T20 screwdriver. Loosen the front axle screws with a pentagon wrench and an electric drill. Take out the front axle. Then loosen the pentagon nut. Remove the washer, sleeve, brake drum. Same operation on the other side. The front wheel then can be replaced. The disassemble and assemble for Super S front fender does not need to remove the front wheel. It can be removed separately. To remove the front fender, first loosen the nut gear with a T20 screwdriver. Then fix the nut inside with a 7mm wrench, and at the same time loosen the screw on the outside with a T20 screwdriver. Same operation on the other side of the fender. Fix the nut inside with a 7mm wrench, and at the same time loosen the screw outside with a T20 screwdriver. It is now possible to remove the front fender. Correspond the slot in the front fender to the front fork. Put the washer on it. Then tighten the screw, M4 multiplied by 16. The screws on both sides of the front fender are M4 multiplied by 12. Put the washer on the screw. Put the nut and fix the nut with a 7mm wrench. At the same time, loosen the screw outside with a T20 screwdriver. Same operation on the other side of the front fender. Now the front fender is installed. First, install the front wheel assembly. Put the brake drum, put the front axle with the nut, washer, and sleeve into it. Then install the nut, washer, and sleeve on the other side of the front axle. Turn the sleeve slightly. Correspond the slot of the brake drum to the bump on the front fork. Put the front fork between the washer and the sleeve. After putting it in place, tighten the sleeve by hand and fix it with a pentagon wrench. The front wheel is installed. Pass the brake cable through the black protective casing. Put it into the hole. Install the spring. Then pass the brake cable through the hole in the brake block. Pull the brake cable. Pull the spring out a little. And then tighten the first screw. Now adjust the brake. If it is right, don't need adjust. Then tighten the second screw. Put the nut at the end of the brake cable. Then loop the rest of the cable into the hole and hide it. The brake cable is adjusted. Now install the front axle decorative cover. Align the slot in the decorative cover with the front axle. Close and screw. Same operation on both sides. Now the front wheel is installed.